Can AI code a full app without human help? Imagine a world where AI builds entire applications from scratch, freeing developers from tedious tasks. Is this a utopian dream or an impending reality? Let's dive into the current capabilities and future possibilities of AI in software development. AI is already a valuable tool for developers. Code completion, bug detection, and automated testing are now commonplace. These tools significantly speed up development and improve code quality. AI-powered code generators can create boilerplate code, saving developers hours of repetitive work. This allows them to focus on more complex and creative aspects of the project. However, these tools are far from fully autonomous. Current AI models struggle with complex architectural decisions. They lack the high-level understanding of business requirements and user needs necessary for designing a complete application. Human oversight is still crucial. AI-generated code can sometimes be inefficient or contain subtle errors. Thorough testing and debugging by human developers are essential to ensure reliability and security. The garbage in, garbage out principle still applies. What if AI could truly understand user intent and translate it into functional code? Imagine describing your app idea in natural language and having AI generate a working prototype. This is the holy grail of AI-driven development. Future AI models might learn from vast data sets of existing applications. They could identify patterns and best practices, enabling them to create more robust and scalable software. This could revolutionize the entire software development lifecycle. Even with advanced AI, human developers will still play a vital role. They will be needed to define the overall vision, manage the development process, and ensure that the application meets user needs. The focus will shift from writing code to guiding AI. Human creativity and problem-solving skills will remain essential. AI can automate routine tasks, but it cannot replace the human ability to think critically and adapt to unexpected challenges. Collaboration between humans and AI will be key. As AI becomes more powerful, ethical considerations become increasingly important. We need to ensure that AI-generated code is fair, unbiased, and secure. Transparency and accountability are crucial. The potential for job displacement is a valid concern. Developers may need to adapt their skills to focus on higher-level tasks such as architecture, design, and AI training. Continuous learning will be essential for staying relevant. While AI cannot yet fully code an app without human help, it's rapidly evolving. The future of software development is likely to be a collaborative one, where AI assists developers in creating better applications faster. Embrace the change and prepare for a new era of software development. What are your thoughts on the future of AI in coding? Share your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tech analysis. Also, check out the links in the description for resources on AI coding tools and tutorials. Let's build the future together.